our strikes are not, come closer please, okay? When I have to strike somewhere, it's not a pushing strike, okay? It's an explosive thing, but it has to penetrate to come through, and it has to be executed viciously and very dynamically, even when I don't straighten out my arms. So when we hear, and the moment you try to go for my neck to grab it, how does it feel? Okay, you see he's startled. So real application, if you come, how does this feel?
Yeah, it's overwhelming.
Okay, so you see, and if he would just blink, and you see everything is in charge. Everything is in charge. Okay, so when you hear someone goes for your neck, don't do this and try to hold on to him. He grabs, I strike.
Yes, sir.
You see?
Yeah.
The next thing, look, he defended this. Boom. Okay, I strike. Or maybe he goes for my neck and he has a double here, okay? How does this feel?
Yeah.
And I do this here, I execute it like this.
Oof.
It's gonna be here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you see, okay? One thing, this is why you have to be able to practice your Chum Kiu very properly. I'm here, he goes for my neck. That's it, and it goes. You see why? I do it slowly.
So fist to elbow. Lift me up and drop me down.
Okay? This is why practice the Chum Kiu elbow from here, not this way. It goes from here up. You see?
Yes, sir.
It's when I'm here, it goes up here. So you can see my upper back over there, right?
Yes, sir.
You see? And this is in front of my body, in front of my center line. That's it. Because if he goes for my neck, I will not be both hands. I cannot execute a hook like an uppercut like this. And you see, even going down and do this, I narrow myself in, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When he goes for my neck,
Both.
please. That's it. One. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And ask him, I do it slowly. Does it feel vicious?
Yeah.
Does it feel bad?
Yeah.
Okay? So look, when you do things slowly and you bring the mindset in with the right movement from the form, because you practice everything properly, your partner will feel, wow, that's not nice. Okay? So never ever, when you do the form, do any kind of striking movement or. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Does this look vicious or dynamic?
No.
Okay?
Patty cake.
It was different, right?
Very different.
Just imagine. Slow motion. He goes for my neck. And this was slow motion.
Yes.
Just 10% more acceleration. What would you say?
Say he's losing 2 eyes.
Just 10% more.
I'm blind. I'm blind.
Okay? And now imagine my 100%
Yeah.
added with anger.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is when you practice. You see that my fingers are shaking in the end. It's not even that the height is not right. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is when the power goes through the fingers. So nothing stops the power here. The power goes through. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Practice the form like that. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Line up, please.